Today's tree meditation is very helpful for when you're feeling anxious or you're looking to be a bit more grounded and centered. I'd like for you, if you haven't already, to think of a tree that is special to you. Please sit comfortably and we'll begin. Allow the sound of the chime to call you to presence. This moment, right here, right now. Just enjoy a few conscious breaths to begin, if that feels good to you. You might want to roll your shoulders or squeeze the shoulders up to the ears. Give yourself a big exhale, shake out the hands. Just release a little bit of tension so that as you sit, you may feel relaxed in your body while still alert in your mind. Either keep the eyes open with a downward and softened gaze or close your eyes. And bring your attention to your breath, releasing the breath. So there's no effort to control or change it, simply to notice it. Noticing that you're breathing. Noticing the subtle movements with the body as you inhale and exhale. And shift your awareness down to your feet and feel into the surface that your feet are resting upon, noticing the sensations, perhaps the temperature, if you're barefoot or if you have shoes on. It's noticing those textures. And also being aware that underneath whatever surface your feet are resting upon is the natural earth, the ground upon which all of us rest. And we're connected in a very real way as we all sit together here. Connection with this beautiful planet. Feel into that. Present on this earth. And as you sense into your body's connection with the earth, call into mind a favorite tree from memory. And as you bring that tree into your mind's eye, imagine that you're standing in front of it and fill out the vision. See it in its colors and its fullness, perhaps a slight breeze, noticing any movement. Imagine the sounds of life. Tree is often home to many creatures, insects, animals, birds. And just allow yourself to connect with the energy of this tree before you. And consider for a moment the qualities of a tree. Strong and solid. Rooted into the earth. Patient witness to all that occurs around it. And imagine as you're before this tree that you can draw that energy into your own body. Perhaps even imagining your core, your center as strong as a tree trunk. Breathing in that stability. That sense of rootedness. And allow yourself also to imagine that you too can grow roots deep into the earth. connected with the energy of this planet, the life energy beneath you. And as you feel into that sense of connection with the earth, imagine drawing energy and nutrients up into your body. And at the same time, allow a letting go, a release. Imagine giving anything you no longer need or want, just giving it to Mother Earth, allowing it to flow down through those roots. Any tensions, any anxiety, anything you feel ready to release, just allow that to flow downward. Into the embrace of the earth beneath you. The earth can hold all of it. So it's a very deep sense of letting go. And with that letting go, you're also creating a spaciousness. And into that spaciousness, draw in energy, the pure energy from the earth, the strength of the earth, the fire in the center of the earth, bringing that up into your body. And feel that rising up through the soles of your feet, through the legs, into the hips, the core, up through the torso, your trunk, strong and solid, into the shoulders, down through the arms and fingertips, up through the throat and neck, into the head. So that your entire body is imbued with this sense of earth energy. And as you continue to breathe, sense a heart opening or a heart lifting, as if you could reach your branches upward and outward, the branches of your spirit, like the tree, reaching up toward the light, to the air, breathing in the energy and lifting upward to the light, up towards the infiniteness of the sky above, and drawing in all that energy, the energy of hope, the energy of peace, the energy of life, so much surrounding you. Feel it in your fingers, your arms, expanding through the chest. Continuing to breathe. Noticing how it feels to simultaneously be deeply rooted and solid and stable, and also uplifted, filled with hope and possibility. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feeling the energy and the life inside the breath. This energy that you share with the tree, with the earth, with the air, with the sunshine, with the water, all the elements of the earth around you, nature. You too are a part of all of this. And allow yourself to rest in that awareness. And if it feels good to you, you can place a hand on the heart, or hold the hand in the hand, or rest your hands on your lap. Any gesture that feels like it gives you a sense of support. And connect with that deep sense of connection you feel with your tree. And allow yourself to share any sentiments, love or gratitude, appreciation, whatever it might be, or to simply just rest in that feeling of connection. Appreciating the air that we breathe, produced by all the trees on the planet, beautiful plants that give us air to breathe. And as we exhale, we also give energy, life to others. All in the circle of life. And allow the sound of the chime to bring you back. Perhaps a few shoulder rolls, a stretch, a yawn. Maybe looking around, keeping the tree in your heart, but returning to wherever you might be. Feeling refreshed, strong, grounded, and centered. Thank you.